Alright, so let's talk about something we all get curious about. Finding that one stock that could potentially change everything. It's the classic investing dream, right? You hear stories about people who invested a small amount into a company before it became a household name, and their lives were transformed. This is what often draws people to look at smaller, less-known companies. They aren't the Apples or the Amazons of the world that everyone is already talking about. Instead, they operate in niche areas. Cutting-edge medical treatments, old-school electronics, and their stock prices can be incredibly volatile. The low price per share can make them seem like an amazing deal, a lottery ticket that feels just a little more grounded in reality. The real question is, are these stocks hidden gems or just financial traps waiting to spring? First up is Aethlon Medical, ticker symbol AEMD. In simple terms, Aethlon is a medical technology company. They've developed something called the hemopurifier. Think of it like a specialized filter for your blood. The idea? Remove harmful viruses, remove cancer-promoting exosomes from the blood of a sick patient. It's not a drug that attacks a specific disease. It's a broad platform designed to clean the blood. A lot of their value is tied to clinical trials and regulatory approvals, mainly from the FDA. Any news about trials, positive or negative, causes huge swings in their stock price. Here's where it gets really risky, and you need to pay close attention. Aethlon is a pre-revenue company. They're burning through cash to fund research, operations, and the expensive process of clinical trials. This is funded by raising money from investors, often issuing more shares and diluting existing shareholders. Next on our list is Protagenic Therapeutics, ticker symbol PTIX. This is another company in the healthcare space focused on developing new drugs, specifically treatments for stress-related neuropsychiatric disorders, depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder. Lead drug PT00114, a synthetic version of a natural brain peptide believed to help regulate stress. Their premise: create a stable synthetic peptide to form a new class of antidepressants. Potential benefit: more effective treatments with fewer side effects than current drugs. Like Aethlon, news here is all clinical trials. The lifeblood is data. Progress, slow and steady. They've been doing preclinical studies and early-stage human trials, advancing to the next phase of a trial, presenting positive data at a scientific conference, financially similar to Aethlon. Clinical stage equals big R&D spend, no sales yet. Cash burn equals critical metric. Do they have enough cash for the next 1-2 years? Verdict: potential upside is large. Mental health market is massive and growing. A novel effective treatment for depression or PTSD could be worth billions. Alright, let's switch gears completely and talk about SelectQuote, ticker symbol SLQT. This company is not about developing a new product, it's about selling existing ones. SelectQuote is basically an insurance